Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how to partition and shrink disk in any Windows. Let's start the video. Go to search. Type disk partition. Now click on first option. Now choose your drive for shrink. I choose this. Now right click on it and select shrink volume. Now type how many GB you want. I want 20 GB, so open calculator. Type 20 by 1024. Now type this value and click shrink. Right-click this partition and click the first option. Then follow me. Now your new disk was ready. You can see this. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.